and welcome back to Crypto 416. And today's video we're going to review the biggest, baddest crypto exchange on the planet. That's right, we're going to talk about Binance. No, we're going to talk about Binance. So we're going to review Binance. Pretty much for everyone. This is the international version, which also works for Canadians. If you're Canadian, this is the version you get. There's also an American version, which is not as good as the one as the Canadians get and the international folks. So let's talk a little bit about Binance and why you guys should sign up for that exchange. All right, so Binance. So it's got over 300 altcoins. So when you sign up for other Canadian exchanges, maybe some of them only have, like Bitcoin and Ethereum and maybe a few other coins. Maybe some of them have like 5 coins or 9 coins. But Binance is over 300 different altcoins. They got ADA, they got Dogecoin, they got Shiba Coin, they got all kinds of coins. So they got a ton of coins to choose and pick from, and that's amazing. Another good reason you should sign up with them is that they have one of the lowest fees. So their fees are 0.1%. So usually when I, let's say, buy for, let's say, $1,000, I'm only paying like $1 fee, which is amazing. So like the fees are super, super low for buying and selling and trading. It's incredible. But here's another tip. They have their own token, which is called BNB Token, which is like really, really low right now. It's a good time to buy. When this video was made, it's been very, very low. It's usually like $600. Right now it's around like $200. Definitely worth purchasing it. What happens when you have this BNB token, which will go up, trust me, this is advice for entertainment purposes, but yeah. What happens is when you use that BNB token for your trades, it will reduce it, it'll take the trading fees from that BNB token, and then you'll get like an additional 50% off your fees. That's right. And wait, there's more. If you sign up using the link below, you'll get an additional 10% off your trading fees for life. That's right. So support the channel, guys. Click on the link below, sign up to Binance, get an additional 10% off your trading fees. And while you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe this video, share with friends, and all that stuff. Another good thing about Binance is that it's very secure. It's never been hacked. Very, very secure. I've had Binance since 2007, and I stopped using it after the last crash. I didn't use it for like 2 years. I'm like, I lost all my money. It's not worth anything. I'm not going to use it. It's going to get stolen. I don't care. Like everything went to like nothing. And then I remember when everything went back up during the bull run, I'm like, okay, I'm going to go check my crypto now and start trading again. It was all there. So like nothing got hacked. It was it's really safe to use. And it also offers two-factor authentication that you can use through Google. So I recommend, first thing you should do is when you sign up to a Binance account, definitely enable that two-factor authentication. And you should enable that for everything. Any type of exchange you're using, always enable that two-factor authentication. Protect your money. Alright, so what other features does it have? So it also has some advanced features. It offers margin and future trading. I'll be honest, I don't really do anything with that. It scares me, but if you're an advanced trader and, margin and future trading is your thing, definitely go ahead and, try it out. Something that I use a lot that a lot of different exchanges don't have, I think Newton currently doesn't have this, and some other exchanges, is that you can do market, limit, and stop orders. So a lot of other exchanges, they only have market. So you can just buy at the current price. And then you just keep on looking at your phone during the entire day, checking it every 2 minutes if you should buy or sell. I like to use limit orders, so I can set the price I want to buy it or sell it at, and then it'll place it in an order book. It says they're open orders, they're on the bottom left, and then when it reaches that price, it'll automatically buy or sell that coin. So I can just wake up in the morning, I can set it, forget it. If it reaches that price, it buys it or sells it. Before I go to sleep, I can do exact same thing, And I find this is like amazing if you want to do some day trading and just not be on the computer all day long. Next thing I really like about Binance, especially on the desktop, even on the mobile, are its charts. So you can set it to light or pro chart. Binance on the desktop uses TradingView, so that's an advanced type of chart, and it's completely free, so you can use it to look at your candlesticks, do all kinds of different use all kinds of different pro trading tools, and it's free. Like, it's free use, and it's on the Binance platform. And a lot of those other exchanges, they don't have these pro charts. So that's another huge plus, another positive that Binance has. And finally, the last pro, which I enjoy, is there's a thing called Binance Launchpad or staking. So I'll do a video about this in the future. And what that lets you do is, let's say you have a lot of Tether coin or BUSD. You can stake it, so you can lock it up in a Binance fund, and it's still your coin, you just can't use it, but you will be collecting interest on it. So sometimes you can collect, 5-10% interest per year on the coin, and in some cases you can collect up to 26-37% interest. So sometimes they have really good deals on staking coins, and that's something that's worth doing. If you're, let's say, not interested in just day trading and you want to hold your coins for a long time and see whether it goes up and up, while you're holding it, you can definitely stake it and earn interest on those coins. So another thing you can do is you can launch pad your coins. So basically what you do is you'd stake certain coins like BUSD, BNB coin, USDT. They'd have the coins listed there, and as a reward for staking it, you'd get additional coins for free from, let's say, a new coin that's coming out. So that's something cool that you could do. You're just earning coins by holding on to your coins. So why not? You can't do that in a lot of other basic exchanges like Newton or ShakePay. So that's it pretty much for the Binance. If you want to sign up to Binance, click on the link below. If you do want to transfer Canadian funds into Binance, what I recommend is signing up first to Newton and transferring those dollars, those Canadian dollars, to Binance. That's actually the cheapest way to put money in Binance. I'm going to put an link to an additional video. It's how to buy SafeMoon, and it actually shows you the process of signing up to Binance, transferring the money to Binance, and then also how you can buy a ton of different altcoins. I feel like one of the main reasons people do want to sign up for Binance overall, it's because you want to have access to all kinds of different altcoins, right? The more possibilities you have to trade, the bigger chances you have to earn profits. Just trading Ethereum or Bitcoin, you're just stuck trading those two coins. But when you have all these altcoins which have a lower market cap, you definitely have a better chance of increasing your profits. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.